Let's talk about synthetic texture injection, a technique that transforms flat, clinical images into images with tangible presence and reality. You've probably noticed how high-end commercial photography feels almost physical, like you could touch it. That's texture at work, and we're building it from nothing today. Start by creating a new layer and filling it with 50% gray. Set this layer's blend mode to linear light, which creates a neutral foundation for texture work. Now here's where the craft begins. Use the high pass filter. Go to Filters, then Other, then High Pass. Set the radius between 3 and 8 pixels, depending on your image resolution. This extracts edge information while neutralizing color information. What you're left with is a grayscale map of every micro detail.